Guys, here you can see one more video has been came about the HTML. Like previously we have our new series about the full stack web development, and this our then we started from our front end development, and front end development we started from our HTML language. Okay, and this is our third video or third or fourth video of our HTML. And today's video I'm telling you about the HTML attributes. Okay, what are HTML attributes? I'm telling you about it. So now please like this video, share friends, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss out any future latest videos about the full stack web development. And in the comments, and tell me in the comment section below how's my performance is going, how's my all thing is going in my of my channel. So tell me in the comment section below. So now without taking your any time, without taking your any much more time, and please like this video, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss any future latest videos about the full stack web development. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's video of HTML full stack web development, and we started from our front end, and in the front end we started from our HTML, and this is our first language. We are starting from our full stack web development, and in today's video I'm telling you about what are HTML attributes. So let's learn about it. What are HTML attributes? So let's learn about it. HTML attributes provide additional information about the HTML elements. HTML attributes. First, all HTML elements can have attributes. Number 2, attributes provide additional information about the elements. Number 3, attributes are always specified in start tag. Number 4, attributes usually come in name divided by value pairs, like name equals to into double commas value. The href attribute. The A tag defines a hyperlink. The href attribute specifies the URL of the page the link goes to. For example, this one example, like if you write here code with PK, and when you write here code with PK, like in the previous video I give you the example of it is, I give you the in the previous video I give the example of it. Okay, when you copy it, and when you go on your visual, we are using a Sublime text editor in this course. Okay, now like first of all we write here HTML, then enter press. This our whole code has been came. Now first of all we write this code, but how to write it? First of all you write here this and then A, and then enter press. So then this type of an output has been come. So here you paste a link where which you will be open it. I am pasting my link. I want to open my channel. Okay, I am pasting the link of my channel. Okay, first of all go on to the Google and then code with PK, and let me open my channel, and I am copying the URL of my channel and I am pasting here, and then here I am writing like visit code with PK, and we save it. And when I run it here, sorry not here, let me close it and let me open it the documents, and when I open it my file, so here I am like visit code with PK. Here you can see it. Okay, let me remove this one. And when I save it and run it, so when I click it the visit the code with PK, it will directly go on my channel. Here you can see it, I visit on my channel. Okay, like that. This is a called href. You will learn more about links in our HTML link chapter. The serif attribute. The image tag is used to embed an image in an HTML page. The serif attribute specifies the path to image to be displayed. Like this. Like if you copy this code, or you will be write here img, or you only write here img, then this type of code has been come. Then you write here your image name. I have already my image by the name of css.jpg, and when I save it and run it, so here's my image has been come. Here you can see it of css, like that. Like that you can do it very easily, yes, and you will be insert your image using the serif tag. Using the image tag. There are two ways to specify the URL in serif attribute. Okay, first is absolute URL. Links to external image that is hosted on another website. For example, serif. You also write in the serif, you write your URL of your image. Like this is my image. When I visit my code with PK channel, so this is my image, and now let me copy the URL of it is copy the image address, and I want this image. And when I copy the image address, so I paste here the copy paste, then I paste the image address here. When I save it and run it, so here's my image has been came. Here you can see it like that. If you want this image, let me show you which image. If I say like I want in the beautiful greenery wallpaper, and like you don't in your PC there is no storage. I don't want to install this image. I only directly put this image in my website. So how I quit? You will be click on right click here, copy the image address or copy the image. Okay, copy the image address, then paste here URL, then save it and run it. So here you can see the image get, here you can see one image has been come like that. Using the URL you can also do it. Note that external image might be under copyright. If you do not need get permission to use it, you may be in violation of copyright laws. In addition, you cannot control external images. It can suddenly be removed or changed. Number 2, relative URL. Links to an image that is hosted within the website. Here the URL does not include the domain name. If the URL begins without a slash, it will be relative to the current example, like serif equals to img_girl.jpg. If the URL begins with slash, it will be relative to the domain. For example, serif equals to /image/img_girl.jpg. Tip that it is almost always best to use relative URLs. They will not break if you can change the domain. The width and height attributes. The image tag should also contain the width and height attributes, which specify the width and height of the image in pixels. Like you give the width and height of your images. Let me show you how. You only write here width, then in the width you write here the width like 500 pixels and like this, and then you give the height also like 100. And when you do it, so you will simply save it and run it, so it will be look like this. Here you can see it. Why it is looking like this? Because the width is 500 and height is 100. If I give the height should be 500 also, so that it will be fitted like this. If I give the height should be 300, save it and run it, so it looking like this. Here you can see it. Now the alt attribute. The required alt attribute for the image tag specify an alternate text for an image. If the image for some reason cannot be displayed, this can be due to slow connection or an error in the serif attribute, or if the user uses a screen reader. Okay, let me show you if my image is not coming. Okay, by the chance my image is not coming, like if in the all time writing like here, like this image is not coming. By the chance my image is not coming, I give my image is like CSS.png I give. So this type of image is not in my PC. When I save it and run, it should give me the image is not coming. Why it is like this is coming? Why? Because in the alt attribute I write it. When your image is not coming, when your image is not coming, so this type of output will become. But why this type of output will be coming? Because I write here. If I write the image, so it give me the image. Let me save it and so here you can see it. But when I write here JPG, so now when my images come and then it not give me any error. Here you can see it. Now see what happens if you try to display an image that does not exist. So it give me Gulbita jacket like this. Okay, I have already given you the example. You will learn more about images in our HTML images chapter. The style attribute. The style attribute is used to add styles to an element such as color, font, size and more. Like this is the one output. Like that you can give it like P style color red, and then this is a red paragraph. Then it gives the paragraph in the red color. Here you can see it. If you change the colors, you will also change the color like dark blue. Save it and so your colors will be in dark blue. Here you can see it like that. You will learn more about styles in our HTML style chapter. The lang attribute. You should always include the lang attribute inside the HTML tag to declare the language of the web page. This is meant to assist the search engines and browsers. The following example specifies the English as the language. Okay, this is the following example. Country codes can also be added to the language code in the lang attribute. So the first two characters define the language of the HTML page, and the last two characters define the country. The following examples specifies the English as a language and United States as a country. Like this, if you write here lang in/US, you can see all the language codes in your HTML language code reference. Okay, if you write here, if you copy it, if you copy this code, and if you write here lang should be English. So if you write here the lang should be, if I write here now Hindi IND, so write it like this also. Okay, so now let's come on it here. Now you can see all the language codes in our HTML language code reference. The title attribute. The title attribute defines some extra information about an element. The value of the title attribute will display as a tooltip when you mouse over the element. Okay. So now if you go here and when you copy it and when you paste it here, so then in the p tag I add like title, I am a tooltip. This is a paragraph. When you save it in edit and when your mouse has been come, so it is coming like this is a paragraph. Here you can see it. Now let's come on it here. So what the value of title attribute will be displayed as a tooltip when your mouse over the element. We suggest always use the lowercase attribute. The HTML standard does not require lowercase attribute names. The title attribute and other attributes can be written with uppercase or lowercase like title, or in the all thing in capital. However, CodeWithPk recommends lowercase attributes in HTML and demands with lowercase attributes for stricter documents types like XHTML. At CodeWithPk, we always use the lowercase attribute names. We suggest all quote attribute values. The HTML standard does not require quotes around the attribute values. However, CodeWithPk recommends quotes in HTML and demands quotes for stricter documents type like XHTML. This is a first one is good and second one is bad. Okay. Sometimes you have used the quotes. This example will not display the title attribute correctly because it contains a space. Okay, like here. So at CodeWithPk, we always use the quotes around the attribute values, and this is the syntax. Okay, but when you let me copy it and let me paste it for your example. When I save it, so it give you the error. Okay, it not give you any output. Why? Because I give here a space. That's why. Now, single or double quotes. Double quotes around the attribute values are most common in HTML, but single quotes can be also used. In some situations, when the attribute value itself contains a double quotes, it is necessary to use the single quotes, or vice versa. This is here you can see this is one example. Here we use the single quotes and here we use the double quote. This is one syntax. Chapter summary. In today's video, all HTML elements can have attributes like the href attribute of a specify the URL of the page link goes to. The seric attribute of image specify the path to image to be displayed. Number 3, the width and height attribute of image provides size information for images. Then the alt attribute of image provides an alternate text for an image. Then the style attribute is used to add a style to an element such as color, font size and more. Then the lang attribute of HTML tag declares the language of the web page. Then the title attribute defines some extra information about an element. In today's video, we learned many things and I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share with friends and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to all the notification bell. Also now also any future latest video about the HTML means that full stack web development. So now I'm meeting next lesson, next video. I'm making that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.